Hey guys, it's Malcolm from Abunai Supply. Here with the new prototype EPM1 wrap. So I'm going to apply it on. Hopefully I don't botch this. So first, take off your wrap. Easier said than done. Oh, pretty sticky. Now I like to get the base of it first and match up right at the middle. There we go. Now start pushing towards the sides, like so. Make sure you match that up, like so. Start pushing these corners right here. Repeat the same process onto the other side. And let me grab something real quick. AR, and then there we go, all said and done. That is the new EPM1 wrap from Abunai Supply.